Well, it is beautiful outside, and most of us go hiking and walking and just enjoying the outdoors, which is, it's just gorgeous. This is my kind of weather. I don't like the heat, and I don't like really a lot of snow, but that in-between time is just beautiful, so I don't mind being out. But I will tell you, there's one thing that I think everyone should have in their car, or have personally anywhere. But this is a little emergency survival kit. It's really cute. It's got little slots you can put stuff. I took all of this stuff out of there. Inside it's got a little case you can zipper and put things in. Here's some more elastic to put some stuff in, some sleeves to put some stuff in. Again, you can put more things in there. And then on the back, which I find it's really cool, you can run this through your belt. It also has where this locks up, and this will hold on to you. So you can carry it with you if you're going hiking, just in case something happens. And I'm just going to give you a little bit of what comes in with it. Here's some fishing line with these little, these are the cutest little things. I don't know what they are, but they're adorable. I think they're kind of like to lure in the fish. But, and it comes with little worms, but the cutest thing ever, I don't know if you're even going to see this. Look at this little shrimp. Is he not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my gosh, I love it. Comes with hooks and sinkers and, oh, I used to know what those things were. Every man will say, that's blah, blah, blah. But anyway, that comes with a little flashlight, comes with a pen, or you can break something, your glass in your window in case of an emergency. So it screws open and down. You can actually put on your belt if you want to. I have no idea what these are for. They look like flints. I could be wrong, but I'm sure every man will say, I know what that is. So you know what it is, and I'm glad. So there's those come in there. Here's two little clips. You never know when you're going to need it. A knife that comes in. You never know when you have an emergency, and it flicks down into a little thing and it sits in the bag. I would think this is for like cutting down a branch or something because it's pretty rough and you just go back and forth. I think that's pretty cool. An emergency whistle in case you fell down the hill. Heaven forbid you don't want to fall down the hill, but if you did fall down the hill. It comes with a tool also. That's one of these multi-tools, bottle opener, screwdriver, measurement. It actually comes with extra string, which is kind of nice too because you might need that. There's that. And here's one of those paracords, which is really cool. So this paracord actually has a compass in it, which that is really neat. It looks like it has a flint here. It also has a cutter to cut the string where you need it, and you wear it on your wrist. There you go. Here is extra string. I guess maybe if you wanted to tie something or whatever. This I think is really neat. I know my son has one of these. It's one of those emergency blankets that you put over top of you, and it's supposed to keep the cold out if it gets really cold or hot. I think it's more cold. But you put it over top and it's an emergency thing. The next thing that comes with this is this little case. It's zipped up in there, but it comes with some safety pins. It comes with a little pair of scissors. It comes with an emergency, one of those elastic, you know, like if you have a hair tourniquet where, like, say you're bleeding. Not that I think you're going to bleed, but if you needed to tie it off, this is perfect to do it. You got some bandages in here. You got Q-tips in here. You got the alcohol, iodine, not alcohol, I'm sorry, the iodine preps. We also have some bandages. We have some alcohol pads and some Band-Aids. Fantastic thing. This is a must to have in your car. We have them in stock. Order them online. And remember to spin the wheel and get your discount. Thank you.